welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a hair review for you guys. Now I know you guys are like, did you switch to hair color? Yes, I did, and this is exactly what this hair review is for. So you guys are familiar with the black passion twist that I recently had about a month ago. I did do a little tutorial on those, so I will leave the link down below in the description box as well as in the cards, so you guys make sure you check that out if you haven't. But the same people that reached out to me about the spring twist are the same ones that reached out to me about the hair that they provided for passion twist. So this video is going to be basically a review on this hair itself and basically just let you guys know how I feel about the hair and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, of course, this is another store that you can find on Amazon. You guys know when it comes to hair on Amazon, it's been real good. So the store on Amazon is called Bileaf. I think that I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I will leave you guys a screen record of the store on Amazon and all that stuff. But the company is called Bileaf, and the black passion twist that I had about a month ago, they sent me the hair to try. I did promise you guys that I was going to do a review for this hair, but I needed the okay from the company, and they gave me the okay. So I'm going to talk about the hair and all of that stuff. So basically, the first time that they sent me the hair, they sent me 6 packs. And out of those 6 packs, I used about 2.5 to 3 bags. This time, they sent me again 6 packs, but this time I used a full 4 packs. And I'm going to tell you the reason why. Now, if you guys are familiar, since I've been doing passion twist and spring twist, I've pretty much been doubling up my twist or tripling up my twist because my natural hair is currently damaged and I need to chop off the damaged part. So I really needed to try my best to secure my hair within the twist. So in order to do that, I basically had to use 2 strands of hair to lock in my hair. I hope I'm explaining that correctly, but I have explained that before in some recent videos. But so all of this is a total of 4 bags. Now this color, of course, is 1B/burgundy, so it has traces of black in it, and then the rest is pretty much burgundy. So my hair is black, so as you guys can see, I really tried my best to make it look decent. You guys know I have dyed my natural hair this color before, and honestly, I do think that the passion twist with this color will look way better if my natural hair was the same color. But I am not going back red anytime soon. But it still looks cute for the most part. I really am feeling this color. You guys know, if you know me, I love some burgundy. So this is how it looks. I recently did this. What's today? You guys, I'm not sure when you're going to see this video, but today is August 1st. So I did this. I think I started on my hair Monday, I think. So yeah, so this is the fresh look. The fresh look that we have going on. So this was like a little update as far as what's recent. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get back into the hair. So again, the company is called Bileaf. They sent the hair in this bag, and like I stated, they sent me 6 packs, but I only have 2 packs in this bag, of course, because I did tell you guys that I used 4. So in this bag, of course, they send you the hair. So the hair comes in this plastic bag. And this hair, if I haven't said it before, this hair is water wave. So again, being the fact that this is the second time using their water wave hair as passion twist, I'm really actually pretty surprised. Again, I wasn't sure that it would work out, and that's how I felt the first time because it is water wave hair. And I have watched a video before of someone doing passion twist, and they didn't too much like the water wave hair. So when I first did my passion twist, it was, I believe it was bohemian hair. So this is a little different, but I do like it. I do like it. So again, this is their water wave hair in 1B burgundy. And I believe it's 18 inches. So this is how the hair looks. As you guys can see, it's more of a red at the bottom more of a burgundy red at the bottom, and the rest of this is pretty much the 1B and the burgundy mixed together. So this is how the hair looks. I remember I counted it one time how many strands is on here. I don't recall. I really don't feel like counting, but it is a decent amount. So the hair is actually, especially the black one that I had, it's really soft. This hair is very manageable. It's easy to take apart. Of course, it does get a little tangled up because it is synthetic hair, but you're gonna twist it up, so it really does not matter. But the hair overall is really soft, manageable, bouncy, as you guys can see at first before you start taking them apart. So I do actually like their water wave hair. I'm really, like I said, I'm really surprised. So far out of the black and burgundy, I like the black more so, but you guys know I like burgundy anyways. But I did like the black passion twist so far. Of course, I'm gonna see how these go for the next couple weeks. But yeah, again, this is how the hair looks. So of course, with the hair, they sent their little like card. It says passion twist, and inside it shows you their 2 braiding methods on how to do your passion twist. Then of course they send 2 clips. I absolutely love them for sending the clips because they are very helpful for when I'm doing my hair. And then they sent the beads, which I'm not going to use. I've been using the beads in my niece's hair, but they sent beads. And they also sent like a little mirror that I'm not going to too much use, but I do appreciate them for sending this as well. So again, you can find Bileaf on Amazon. Like I had stated in the beginning, I believe I will screen record so you guys can see the store. But it is 18-inch passion hair, the 6-piece passion twist hair, 18-inch braiding water wave crochet hair for passion twist. And if you get the 6 packs for 18 inches, it's about $33.66. Of course, free shipping and free returns. And of course, if you have Amazon Prime, I think that works regardless. But again, I do like the hair. It's really soft and all that stuff. This is a fresh set of twists, okay? Fresh set of twists. But yeah, I do like it. I do like their hair. This is the second time using their hair, and I like it. So I appreciate Bileaf for sending me out this hair to do passion twist 2 times and allowing me to give my honest review and my honest opinion about the hair. So I do recommend this hair. A lot of people that I know personally have been asking me where I got the hair from, and of course I have told them. So if you want to try water wave hair for passion twist, I do recommend that you try out Bileaf's water wave hair for passion twist. It's really manageable, soft, and all that, and I really think that you guys will like it. So that's pretty much it for the review. I might try to do an update for this. I'm not too sure because when it gets closer to my birthday, I'm switching up my hair. So it really depends. I might just save that for afterwards. I'm not too sure. I know I've been promising you guys updates with my passion twist, and since I've been in my little funk, I haven't been able to. But I will try my best to give you guys an update, and I will try my best to give you guys like how I usually style my passion twist. It's not a whole lot of styling with these, but I'll try my best to get a video out for you guys. So let me know down below if you like the passion twist better in this color, or if you was feeling them more so when they were black. You know, let me know. And if you have any questions as far as the company, be sure to ask me, and I will try my best to answer any questions that you guys have. But I will leave all the store information and all the details that I need to in the description box below. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.